does is goes into the wet rot, dries the timber, solidifies it. You see a little section in there, it's totally and utterly secure. That way we can bond. After that, we use a 2-part epoxy to fill it out. Dries instantly, goes as hard as rocks. And then after that, we flush fill it with Polybond. Give it a nice, clean, smooth finish. See the indentations there, still needs more work. Then we paint it, undercoat it, prime it, and gloss it. See the finished product in a couple of minutes. Now the door has had a spline flush fill, as you can see. So after this we'll do a fine sand, and then we'll put a couple of coats of primer on it and an undercoat on it. To speed up the process, we're going to use Bins alcohol-based primer, which can be recoated about every 10-15 minutes. So that'll speed up the process before we get the final coat and then the final gloss. Now you can see the door finished, the final coat on it. If you have any questions about this application, fixing the door, and it's rotten it,